Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming for beginners. In this video, we will show how to use a range function of Dplyr package to rearrange datasets in R. So Dplyr is data manipulation package, such as part of the tidyverse framework, and which is a collection of the libraries has the goal of making R faster, simpler, and easier. And Dplyr uses this pipe symbol structure, and a range function in Dplyr is for sorting data sets based on some variable called key variable, or primary, secondary variable, and so on. So next we will show several examples in RStudio. So first we load tidyverse library, or you can just load library Dplyr. So first example, we will use dataframe msleep from ggplot2 library. So we show msleep's first 4 columns. So these 4 variables: name, genus, row, and order. So next code will arrange dataframe msleep by row and order with ascending order, then set store in a new data frame called animal name sequence. Then we show first the column of this new data frame. So you can see raw order, now all observations arranged by these 2 variables alphabetically but ascending order. And you can also use a descending order. For example, in this code, we will use descending order for the order variable, but ascending order for the row variable. So we show again several observations. So now row order ascendingly, but ordered descendingly. Next example, we will create a data frame called GFG. And this data frame contains customers, product, and salary columns. So if we just use arrange GFG for salary, then the result will be a data frame of the same observations as GFG, but observations are ordered by the salary level from lowest to the highest. You can also use descending order, though in this code we use pipe symbol. So GFG passed to the arrange function as the first argument. So this is same as arrange GFG, then descending salary. So the result is a data frame with the same observations as GFG, but the salary column from highest to the lowest. So all observations arranged by this column. You can also download the source files from this GitHub link, and more videos will be uploaded later on YouTube soon. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.